Welcome back to the Softcode YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to download Java. So before downloading Java, if you need to check whether Java is already downloaded into a system or not, you can open the command prompt and type java-version. And if there's any Java version that is already installed in your system, the version should be shown here. So if you haven't installed any Java JDK yet, you can go to your favorite browser and type Java JDK download and go to the first link as www.oracle.com. That's the website. You can click and you'll come to the Java downloads page. And you can see here Java 20 and Java 17 are the latest releases as of now, according to the time that I recorded this video. And you can always download Java 20 or Java 17, and it provides in Linux, macOS and Windows, and it can be downloaded as zip file and in executable file and this MSI installer. You can download JDK 17 as well. It will provide the executable file and zip files and all. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that they have Java 11 and Java 8 as well. Java 8, that's the most stable version as of now. So I'll download that in the executable file. So it displays an alert box that should be ticked that I have reviewed and accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java SE. So if we click on this download button, we will be redirected to the login screen. So here in the login screen, you can enter the username and password and sign in if you have already have an Oracle account. But if you don't have an Oracle account, you can create a new account. If this is the first time you are downloading Java. And after the download, you can specify the path that you need to save the Java files. And if we go to this JDK folder, here it includes the bin folder. In here, all the libraries are included. That is the main folder of this JDK. And you should copy this address and go to the environment variables. You can directly search from this, or else you can go through the control panel as well, because we need to set the environment variables before using Java. In here you can search for environment variables. In the system properties, under the advanced tab, there is environment variables. So click that. And here are the user variables and system variables. We need to include this path in the system variables. So I'll copy that once again. And I'll edit. And I should edit the path variable. If you don't have any path variable as of now, you can create a new variable. But for me, I already have a path variable, so I'll edit that. You have to just include a new path in this, and OK. And also we have to add another new variable as Java home, and we should copy this link above the bin folder and paste that as the environment variable. So apply OK. So now you have downloaded and installed and already set the environment variables. So it's time to set it from the Intellij IDEA. So go to File, Project Structure, and under the Project Settings, Project, in that SDK, in that we can select the SDK that we want to use. I have already included Java 8 JDK. In your case, if you are new, you can include the already downloaded JDK here. So that's it. In this video, we have downloaded and installed Java JDK and also set the environment variables, and also in Intellij as well. So if you have any questions regarding these, drop in the comments below. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again in another video.